Le pineapple. Good morning, world and all who inhabit it. It's winter. Wow, so much snow. This is going to be so much fun. Hey, SpongeBob, want to have a snowball fight? I have a huge snowball. Patrick, there's no way you could have that big of a snowball. Oh, yeah? Ah. Gotcha. Oh, yeah? I got a surprise for you. What is it? Heads up! You know what I think about? Want to just go to the Krusty Krab? Sure. SpongeBob! What, Patrick? It's the Yeti! Patrick, there's no such thing as a Yeti. Yeah, there is. Oh no! It's the Yeti! Also known as the abominable Squidward! Dun dun dun! Squidward? Why are you all covered in snow? Yeah, because of the stupid blizzard. Blizzard? I don't remember there being a blizzard. Lucky you. You must have gotten in here before it started. Oh, here it comes. I'm about to go to the restaurant in snow. Oh, cool. Wait, what? Oh, no. The entire Krusty Krab is snowed in. We could just wait for the snow to melt. It's been 8 days and we still haven't gotten the snow melted. We could at least have some Krabby Patties. Yeah, I have the formula. We can finally eat for the first time in over a week. That's good. Patrick, what did you do? The formula looked tasty. We've been snowed in for 26 days, and since you ate the formula, we can't eat any more Krabby Patties. No more Krabby Patties? Patrick, hello? Answer me. Patrick, your obnoxious breathing almost knocked down the wall. Keep breathing. But Patrick, if we're stuck here, we can't go jellyfishing or blow bubbles or have snowball fights ever again. Wait, what? Oh! Yes, we're free. Not exactly. Remember that Yeti you thought I was back at the start of this whole thing? Yeah, that does actually exist. What? Melt everything. Now I know something we can do. What? Scream!